All right, so DNS gave us the IP address. We know exactly where the server is. But how do we actually talk to it without someone stealing our passwords in transit? Today, we are diving into layer 7 of the OSI model to expose HTTP and the cryptographic handshake that secures the modern web. At its core, HTTP, the Hypertext Transfer Protocol, is incredibly simple. It is just plain text. Your browser sends a GET request for a specific page, and the server replies with a 200 OK and the HTML code. But just like standard DNS, HTTP is a postcard. Anyone sitting on your network can read your session cookies, your passwords, and every message you send. To fix this, we upgrade to HTTPS by wrapping our plain text inside TLS, Transport Layer Security. But before the server lets you send a single byte of encrypted data, the client and server must negotiate the rules of engagement. This is the TLS handshake. In modern TLS 1.3, this happens blazingly fast. Step 1, the client sends a client hello. It says, here are the cipher suites I support, and here is my half of the cryptographic key. Step 2, the server replies with a server hello. It says, I choose this cipher, here is my digital certificate to prove I am who I say I am, and here is my half of the key. And just like that, they combine the keys, the math clicks, and the encrypted tunnel is established. If that certificate is expired, or if a hacker tries to intercept the hello messages, the browser instantly throws a massive red warning and drops the connection. But wait, how did those hello messages actually get routed to the server in the first place? That requires dropping down to layer 4. Don't let your tech knowledge stay in plain text. Hit subscribe and establish a secure TLS session with this channel.